Hey guys, it's Carter, and in today's video, we are going to be looking at Rumble Stock, ticker symbol RUM. We're going to be diving in what you must know about the company, support and resistance, and answering that main question of should you buy this company. So I hope you guys all enjoy the video. If you guys get anything out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys do that. So let's dive right into it. So for those of you that don't know what Rumble is an online video platform in the cloud services business. Now, over the past couple of months, it's seen extreme growth. And the reason why I say extreme is because it merged with some companies. It had a whole bunch of very popular influencers that were once on YouTube transfer over to Rumble because of a more free speech platform. Right now, the issue with YouTube is you have to be worried about strikes and getting kicked off and banned. Rumble is a lot more free speech. You have a lot more flexibility in what you can say. And this caused a lot of people to hop on it. Some of those people are, Steve Will Do It. We have Andrew Tate. We have Alex Jones. All very influential, people here. Now you'll notice the stock has gone from, this $9 mark all the way up to about $18. And then it sold back off to that $9 mark and then back up to $17 and then back down to $7. So what this means is the stock lately has been very volatile. Volatility is not a bad thing, but the issue is that it often means higher risk, higher reward. That's the first thing I always look at, because high risk, meaning the stock could easily pop up, and then it easily could sell off. It's not something stable like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, companies that are more well established. These companies like Rumble are gonna, they could make you a lot of money, but on the flip side, you could lose some money with them. Now, one thing that I always think is smart is drawing out some resistance and some support. We do have some heavy resistance up here at about $13, heavy support down here at about $10. Recently, we had some extreme sell-off where the stock went from pretty much about $12 a share all the way to lows, at $6.25. Now, the reason why I think we're getting a lot of sell-off right now is just due to the market we're in, and this stock is not a stable company. It's not performing, extremely well. This company is more, it's a growth stock. And anytime you have a growth stock in a shaky economy, you're going to get sell off. And looking at it here, we'll go ahead and dive in and really look at this revenue here. The revenue's up about 107%, which is really good. But the issue is the net income is down 1,384%. The diluted EPS, or earnings per share, is down about 1,300%. The net profit margin is down 617%. And really what that means is their negative profit margin is 106%. So what this means is for every $100 Rumble brings in, they actually lose about $106, which is absolutely terrible. You cannot grow a business like that. You cannot stay long, especially with competing against YouTube. I understand that right now people are one of the issues right now is people hate YouTube, right? People hate it. They go, oh, you can get strikes, you can get banned. But the beauty of YouTube is they're stable. You don't have to worry about the company closing. If you have videos on Rumble or, believe in the company, you have to understand that this company is unstable. You could easily see this company going under, but I think that it's going to be quite some time before we see them. They have heavily investors. They just merged, with some companies here. And answering that main question that everybody has, right, is, Carter, should you buy Rumble stock? So for me, I think I bought about $2,000 worth of Rumble, and I'm down right now. But what I am doing is I'm dollar cost averaging. So pretty much what that means is I buy on a weekly basis. I buy on a weekly basis. I keep it under 2% of my portfolio size. So what that means is for every $100 I have invested into other stocks, other assets, ETFs, I'll put $2 into this. And the reason why it's so low is because it's such an unstable company. But I always can buy more. And if this thing sells off just like it's done from $12 to $6, even if this thing goes to zero, I'm only out 2% of my portfolio. And if it pops up, I always can buy more. That's the beauty of it. And I think that's what I would recommend a lot of people doing, is just dollar cost averaging. Set some alerts anytime this stock falls 5 to 10%. Double what you normally will put in. So during this fall, I bought some more, and look at that. We had an 18% return today, just off buying this dip down here. So for me, I always think it's smart to understand their earnings report. The next earnings report is scheduled for November 14th, so that's going to be a more volatile time with Rumble. And given that YouTube has seen some ad issues over the past couple of days, I think we will see most likely a sell-off, from this stock. And go ahead and we look at this article right here. It pretty much states that YouTube revenue has declined, over the past quarter. So I think we'll have a very, very similar issue with Rumble. I think it's just advertisers right now not wanting to spend a lot of money just due to the market we're in. So guys, that is it. That is what you must know about Rumble. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys get anything out of it, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy. Take care, everyone.